What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to make a video, just a day, video of the day, everything we do. We got a lot of work to do. We're going to work on some firewood probably. We might work on the Rubicon. We're going to work definitely on the yard. So we got a lot to do. Probably not going to finish it all. I think we're going to start off by, working on the yard. Looks a lot different since the last time I made a video. Been super busy. That's why it's been so long since I've posted. There's a beautiful 6'7". Where's Joe? I don't know, but there's Sheba. Just got done eating some steak this morning. It's about 9:30 in the morning. Got to fill the firewood shed. Got to get Big Gold fixed. Got to fix the gates. Got to park this. Tons of work to do. We just got a well in. Got the septic in. Everything. So you can imagine just how busy I've been between that and, still making a living. So super busy. But look at that. Got water. There's Joe out there. So the yard's kind of a wreck. I've done some grading here. It's far from done. It's kind of got just a rough grade on it now. It looks a lot better than it did. Here's the 2022 Cat 259 D3 Cat compact track loader from Carolina. And it's been kind of a disappointment in a little bit of a way. First 10 hours it had a hydraulic leak, and then now 60 something hours and the backup camera quit working. So not impressed. It just goes to show when you buy something brand new, you're not guaranteed success. That's been shown time and time again, obviously. The brand new 2023 Polaris General, or Polaris Ranger, excuse me, that, I keep on making a video that I need to talk about it and this and that. Well, I would, but I can't, because guess where it is? It's in the shop, It's brand new, 200 miles, it's in the shop. It's been in the shop for a month. Nobody knows how to fix it, and it's just... buying new stuff's a disappointment. Brand new trailer. Just little stuff like that to annoy you. But we're not here to be 100% negative, We got to look at the good things in life, like, the 75 that's still here. Gary, the 99, Big Gold, the 86. The things that work, the things that aren't lemons, like the Honda Rubicon, tires that have leaked since they were brand new. You always... I'm not going to be negative. Check out this box I built. Got the 170 in there. I made a video yesterday. I don't know if I'll post it or not. We cut up some soap and some squash and some wood. Ran the chainsaw and canola oil. It was kind of a wreck, but it was a video. Thought I ruined my chainsaw, but it came back to life and it's still running. So anyways, enough of my rambling on. Let's get into it. And what we're going to do today... not an informative video. We're just going to talk and hang out for the day. I got all the stuff to service this thing. It needs to be done. We're way past due. We're at almost 3,300 miles. But the Rubicon is not a lemon. It's the only thing I've got that I can say has been pretty good. Of course, some of the older stuff, the 99 and the 17 have both been really good. Can't complain about anything. It's just a beautiful morning too. 46 degrees. Wow. We can go ahead and start this bad boy. Let it start warming up. 40 degrees or 40 something this morning, so not the warmest. We'll go ahead and crank up the 6.7 too, so we can move the gooseneck. Put this up. Painted my tools. Blue tail Sheba. Whew, there's the sun. Starting to warm up. Luckily we can remote start this. No tripod needed. I've had just a few people tell me that they really enjoy the videos of just this kind of stuff instead of the riding videos, which I kind of see that now. How, I don't know, I guess I'm more entertaining than I thought, but I don't think I'm entertaining. But when I make videos of just awesome four-wheeler rides and beautiful views and talking about it and this and that, nobody even likes it. So whatever, I guess you want a boring video about my life here at the cabin, then you can have it. Nothing to it, really. First time I ever heard that thing go through a regen. I hate the government, I hate emissions, because John Deere excavator we got in 2016 has been in the shop 3 times for the same problem. Nobody knows how to fix it, I guess. An emissions problem, but oh well. Sometimes the best thing to do, get rid of the garbage. I choose to not let those slam because I like my ears. Woo! Let's save the environment. Let's save the environment. Let's waste half a gallon of diesel by revving it up for no... I don't even want to get into it. Gets me fired up, boy. Get this junk out of there. Come on. Come on out. I'm gonna need you this winter. Ooh, nobody knows what that's all about. Coming soon, just wrong color blue. You want to talk about another reliable unit? Right there's one. Been really good. But I've been renting this trailer out, and that's actually a really good thing to do. Instead of just letting it sit, I rented it out. It come back in one piece. It looks good, so free money. I ordered a sticker. I'm going to get rid of this Kaufman logo, and it's going to say need a trailer, rent me, and then the phone number. And then the JM Construction logos. It's just gonna be sweet. I always let it get a few inches above the bowl because I would hate for a renter to have to destroy his tailgate if they weren't paying attention. So that's why I do that. I need to make a video of the 9973 and go over its tunes and stuff because I actually had somebody request it. So I need to park this good and out of the way because we're about to really tear up our driveway. Unfortunately, man, it's dirty windshield. Because we're gonna go over there and get all that topsoil. So I'm gonna park right here in the middle. Hopefully be out of the way. I think this will be good right here. All right, well, let's get to making this yard look good. How about that? Brand new machine. Wow. Well, for being a beginner that's good on excavator but not a skid steer, I'd say that's not half bad so far. yeah, so we moved a lot of dirt, and we've done a lot because you can see that we've got topsoil now on top of all the clay. You know, this was really good topsoil before, but now, you know, after digging all these ditches and septic and this and that and this and that, you had clay and topsoil mixture, rock, you know, nasty mix. So we did, you know, topsoil on top. I hauled probably 100 scoops over here from over there. Maybe not that many, but quite a few. Been at it about an hour and a half. And we're going to get this real smooth, and then we're going to take the drag over the whole thing. And then we're going to do it over here on this part of the yard, up there and around, move all those pickups. And anyways, we'll pick it up when we have the next checkpoint. It looks pretty good to me. I'll run a drag over it. Now I'm thinking I'm going to go work on the shop footer. I mean, I don't know what you'd call it, but we're putting a base down, you know, and then I got to put some fines on it so we can rake it out, get it prepped for concrete slab up there, 32 by 32. And once I do that, then I can put topsoil all through here. And then after that, at the end, I want to save some topsoil, sprinkle a little bit here in the island, and regrade it out because, you know, it's a little bit bumpy, a little bit rough. And then we'll crank up the Kubota lawnmower, run it pretty good, you know, get some hour on it maybe. Just run over the whole yard for fun. Yeah. Skid loader's running pretty good. I guess we need to move all this stuff, so let's go ahead and crank up the old 75 Highboy. Well, we already know Gary won't start, but now we got to start these two. That was like a dang cold start. Time for the 99. I wonder why 7.3s think it's cute to be so grouchy. They're horribly grouchy. I mean, they've only been sitting a couple weeks, and that one was cranked up yesterday. But they're so smoky and cold-natured. We'll go ahead and move the 99, because this one might need to warm up more than this one. This one ain't too bad. Oh, yes. Oil temp 51. This is a good running truck. I'll put it over here because that one I don't want to drive very far with the drive shaft like that. Probably just put it over here. All right, well, the gang's all here. Time to get some topsoil all across this ground. No bueno, amigo. All right, well, we've got it all looking pretty rough. I mean, pretty roughly good. I mean, up there it needs a little bit more, but that yard over there is super nice, ready for drag. We're kind of getting into the woods here, so I'm gonna trim all these trees back, get them all cleaned up, top this off on fuel, get that trailer disconnected, and then probably go drag with the four-wheeler or something. I think we should consider putting some air in these tires, so that's what we're gonna do, and then we're gonna load the trailer up with brush. Well, there's a load of brush. Now we can get the skid loader in there and get all that dirt back and then pull those stumps. Well, we threw that brush onto the pile. Now we'll finish cleaning this up. I put 11 gallons of diesel in the skid steer, so should be good to rock for a while. We'll get this cleaned up. We're almost ready to drag. Everything looks pretty good. I'm gonna dig around that well head there and put some rock around it by hand. But I got everything graded out pretty decent, ready for the drag. And then we might take the 7.3 and go get some grass seed of some sort and see if we got that all cleared out now. We'll take the remaining topsoil and sprinkle it out here in the island and grade this. So I guess the next step is to hand dig that and then drag. Got that exposed so we can caulk that again, all that conduit and stuff. And then yeah, we're gonna run down to the local hardware and see if we can get some grass seed and a tube of caulk. See how good the yard looks? Smooth. We shall take the 7.3 and we shall take thy baby Joe. Get that AC pumping, boy. Who don't like the sound of that, huh? They just put us a culvert in right here. Well, they finally built the road up, but when I first came through here, it was like a jump. You know, like they built the road up several feet. Much needed. All right, well, that's a no-go on the grass seed. But the hardware got my wheel that I ordered. I got a sprinkler and some caulk. So we're gonna try and hook up the sprinkler and see if it works. Because watering the ground would probably help the grass grow anyways. Moment of truth. Look at that. A sprinkler. Wow, let's turn up the pressure, see what happens. All the way. Oh yeah. Now we're talking. About to make the freaking thing tip over. Uh-oh. Too much pressure. Damn. I guess too much horsepower in that water hose. Time to push the limits. Okay, that's awfully close to the limit right there. Let's see. Oh, dang. We got the rake on it now. Okay, I'll see this thing make a full rotation. Oh, it's gonna hit the rake. Fuck! You freaking dog. Well, I feel as if I have accomplished something great. That's a good looking yard. Good grading job, isn't it? We'll go ahead and caulk this so I can get that all backfilled. Then we can finish dragging. I definitely didn't need that much rock, but I mean, hey, it is what it is now. I know we're good and covered. Now we'll just hit it a little bit more with the drag, and then I think we'll be ready to park everything back here and start tearing up the center. Well, now that that's done, we'll drag the driveway, but first we need to move everything so we can get the island clear. So let's get to it. Oh, it's time to crank up the real star of the show now, boys. I say that because this truck works hard, and ouch, dang it, effing A, damn roof there. Well, this truck fires right up. Told you. Good runner. Now tell me that's not pretty cool. All the Fords in a line. Just gotta unhook the drag, move a couple miscellaneous things, and then we're gonna start destroying the island. All right, fellas, time to destroy the island here. Grade it out nice and smooth so I'm not bump, bump, bump. Make it flat. We'll take that little bit of topsoil there and bring it over here. Make it flat, I repeat, make it flat. Baby Joe! Well, that looks pretty good now. Let's go over here and work around this shed where this topsoil pile was. A little bit of hand raking and that'll look fine. We'll drag the driveway the first and we'll wash the cat. Well, that's a pretty well, neatly dragged road. The yard looks good, the road looks good. I'd call that a good day. Got a lot of work done. Well, I know the video is a little bit different than normal. Really long video about nothing really. If you guys enjoyed this type of video, please let me know, because these are the easiest ones and I enjoy making these, so whatever. But if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe. Comment down below your thoughts and any ideas. We'll see you in the next one.